Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. So Twisters, today we have something a little bit different for you. Today, my husband is going to make a family favorite that he makes at home all the time for you. And what are you going to make?
Hot chocolate.
He's going to make homemade hot chocolate. And of course, he's going to twist it Shelly's way. So I'm going to turn it over to him and he can get started.
So let's get started. First, we're going to put half a cup of sugar. We want brown sugar. Please do not use white sugar. We have 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder, unsweetened. You don't want to use sweetened cocoa powder because then your hot chocolate will be too sweet. And you're going to put a dash of salt. That's a dash. You're going to mix this in so that the cocoa powder, the sugar, and the salt are all combined. Okay. Looks combined to me. Okay. You're gonna turn your stove on because now what you have to do is to get 1/3 cup of hot water. You pour that in and you're gonna mix this in, and you want this mixture to come to a boil, but you want everything to be kind of smooth. So once you got some heat going, you set it to medium. And look at that combination. And you're going to let it come to a boil. As you could see, the mixture has come to a boil, and so it's time to pour the milk. Now, we love our hot chocolate very rich, so we use 2 cups of half and half and 2 cups of regular milk, but you could use 4 cups of just regular milk. And you pour it in like this. And you are going to mix it in. Look at how creamy that is. You want this to be on medium heat. So you can mix it in until all of the chocolate mixture dissolves. Now that all of the chocolate mixture is all dissolved in, we're going to put half a teaspoon of Vietnamese cinnamon. You could use regular cinnamon if you want. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's about 1 teaspoon. Combine this. And then we're going to put half a teaspoon of almond extract. You don't want to put too much almond because that will overpower the flavor and the taste. And you try to get this to be all mixed in. And now we are going for the first twist. So cayenne pepper. This is Shelly's twist. So we're going to put 1/8 1/8 teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. You don't want it to be too spicy. I think that needs a little bit more. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful here so that I don't mess this up. Okay, look at that creamy. We are now going to put nutmeg. We're going to put about a quarter a teaspoon of nutmeg. So the way you do nutmeg, that's about quarter teaspoon. And don't forget to make sure this is on medium heat. You don't want it to be boiling while you're mixing the ingredients. The next twist is orange zest. So now, the trick about orange zest is that you want to make sure you don't get the white part in. So what you're going to do, you're going to make sure I get about half a teaspoon of that. Okay, that's about half a teaspoon. Okay. And you see this is coming to a boil. So our hot chocolate is ready. And because we put the orange zest in, don't forget to strain to get the zest out. And I'm going to strain it and Shelly's going to taste it.
Okay, the hot chocolate is finished and it's time for me to do what I like to taste.
How's it?
Absolutely delicious. So, having the hint of cayenne pepper and putting in the skin of the orange just gives that extra boost, and that's what makes it Shelly's hot chocolate. Thank you to the husband, Mr. Cliff. He did very well. I'm so proud of him. And so, thank you for visiting Shelly's Cuisine today and making hot chocolate with Mr. Cliff. And we ask that you subscribe, hit the notification button. Our website is www.shellyscuisine.com for recipes. And we have a lot of cakes in our sweet tooth twist section of our website that will give you something to have with your hot chocolate. So, tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.